Hello everyone, let's learn how to connect Messenger to Instagram. Integrating Facebook Messenger with Instagram has enabled users to communicate seamlessly with their friends and followers across both platforms. With Facebook Messenger now integrated into the Instagram app, users can send and receive messages without switching between apps. This feature has made Instagram even more popular, especially among those who use social media for communication and networking. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Messenger app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go on 3 horizontal lines in top left corner of the screen. That will open a side menu, and next go to click on little gear icon in top right corner of this menu. Now you are come on your profile, and you need to scroll down on the bottom of the page. When you do that, you need to click on See More in Account Center. So you are come on your account center, and to connect Instagram account you need to open accounts option. Now you can have an Instagram account and offers, but if you didn't have, you need to go on add account. That will send you on this menu and you need to choose an Instagram account you want to connect, and when you choose click on continue. Also you need to select which is birthday of that account, and click again on continue. Now on this menu is some items for connect Messenger to Instagram, and click on yes, finish adding, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.